Most people believe action creates results, but that belief is incomplete. Action only produces results when it's aligned with how you're thinking and who you're being. When action is taken from fear, urgency, or pressure, it often creates exhaustion instead of progress. This is why many people work hard and stay stuck. They are acting, but not in alignment. Aligned action feels different. It's calm, it's clear. It doesn't require forcing motivation or emotional energy. It feels obvious rather than dramatic. This is the kind of action wealth responds to because it's consistent and sustainable. Small, certain action is more powerful than big, inconsistent effort. When action is small enough that you don't resist it and certain enough that you don't second guess it, momentum builds naturally. This is how progress compounds quietly over time. Wealth is rarely created through sudden leaps. It's created through steady movement in the same direction. Unaligned action usually comes from impatience. It's the urge to do something, anything, to relieve discomfort. Aligned action comes from clarity. It's chosen, not reactive. This distinction matters because the nervous system learns from repetition. When you repeatedly act from calm certainty, your system begins to associate progress with safety instead of stress. Think about how you normally approach action around money. Do you rush? Do you delay? Do you wait until you feel confident? Those patterns reveal alignment or lack of it. Aligned action doesn't wait for confidence. It creates confidence by being repeated. This lesson is not asking you to do more. It's asking you to do less, but with intention. One aligned action taken daily will outperform a dozen frantic actions taken occasionally. Wealth responds to direction more than intensity. Today, your only job is to identify one small action that feels obvious, doable, and aligned with who you are becoming. Not the biggest action, not the fastest action, the clearest one. Then take it without negotiation.